Hey guys, Urban Gardener here, the Happy Cultivator, and this finished product is brought to you by Seedsman Seeds. So what I have here is Dr. Seedsman CBD from Seedsman Seeds. So I'll go ahead and pull out a couple of nice colas here. I have been smoking away on some of this bottom, that's why you see this twig, but I just liked the colas so much that I kept them as big long colas. Here's an example of what I've been smoking off of. See, nice big long colas here. This is a fully 30-to-1 CBD strain. I really like it a lot. It does give you a mild buzz, and it's got some great CBD aspects to it. I have made some topical salves with it, which have been really nice. So very sativa. But yeah, really liking the Dr. Seedsman a lot. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.